Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica S cappuccino espresso machine. Now for this machine was brought here because it had a general alarm, and it was basically this little fuse that you see right here. This was not letting electricity pass to the vaporizer, and that's the reason it got general alarm. So you could see the machine heating up at the beginnings. It will say like heating up, and after a few minutes it will just auto shut off and tell you it was general alarm. And it was because this little guy was not letting power transfer to the vaporizer, and the vaporizer was not getting to temperature. So started with one shot of espresso. We're gonna test it out, and as you can see, there's no general alarm. The machine is looking fine. Good crema. And 2 ounces of water, which is perfect.